Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Java program to roll a dice. So we have this dice class over here, and now we are going to add data members. This will be private static final and max value set to 6. And this is the largest number on a dice, so that's the maximum value. And now we are going to have the smallest number on dice, min value set to 1. Now we are going to represent a dice that is not yet rolled. So this will be also private static final. Type int. Then we are going to have instance variable number. We are using this instance variable number to store the value of a dice after it is rolled. Then we are going to have a private random and a constructor. Inside the constructor, we will initialize a number to the constant no value to represent the state before the dice is rolled. And we are going to create a random by using new random. And we are going to add a function roll to roll the dice. The roll method will use the formula for random number generation. So let's do that. Random dot next int, and we are going to pass in max value minus min value plus 1, and then we are going to add the min value to the result. The minimum and the maximum values on a dice are kept as the class constant. By changing their values, our software dice can be made to represent any range of values for example, from 1 to 6. And now we are going to add a function to return the number on this dice. So this will be public int get number, and it will return a number. Now we can simulate the rolling of 3 dice. So let's try that. We're going to add our main function. And now create the object of dice. And we are going to print those numbers. And now we can run our code and check that bit. Need to add class keyword here. Not here. We need to import random from util package. This is next. And we need to roll the dice before we print. So this will be 1 dot roll 2 dot roll 3 dot roll 4 dot roll. And here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.